What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today we are going to walk you through how to file taxes for an LLC. To file taxes for an LLC, you must consider the tax classification of your LLC and the number of members it has. Here are the key steps to file taxes for an LLC based on the information from the provided sources. If you are the sole owner of an LLC, the IRS typically treats your LLC as a disregarded entity for tax purposes. This means that the LLC itself is not taxed separately, and you will report the business income and expenses on your personal tax return. You will file Schedule C or Form 1040 to report the profit or loss from your business. As a single-member LLC, you may also need to pay self-employment taxes on your share of the company's earnings. For LLCs with more than one member, the default tax classification by the IRS is as partnership. In this scenario, the LLC itself does not pay taxes. Instead, profits and losses are passed through to the individual members who report them on their personal tax returns. LLCs taxed as partnerships file Form 1065 annually and issue a Schedule K-1 to each member to report their share of profits and losses. LLCs have the flexibility to choose how they want to be taxed, including as a sole proprietorship, partnership, C corporation, or S corporation. The tax clarification chosen will determine the tax filing rules and obligations. Each classification has its own set of tax implications and requirements, so it's essential to understand the implications of each option before making a decision. LLCs can change their tax status by adjusting their ownership structure or electing to file as a different entity type. However, once you make an election, you typically cannot change to another tax designation assigned for 5 years. It's crucial to consider the long-term implications of changing your tax classification and consult with a tax professional to ensure you make the right choice for your LLC. To file taxes for your LLC accurately, you need to maintain thorough records of all income deductions, expenses, and other financial figures. Good record keeping is essential for completing the required tax forms based on your LLC's tax classification. Keeping organized and detailed records will not only help you file your taxes correctly, but also assist in monitoring the financial health of your business and making informed decisions. Understanding how to file taxes for an LLC involves considering the tax classification of your LLC, whether it's a single-member or multi-member LLC, the tax options available in the implications of changing tax classifications, and the importance of maintaining accurate records. By following these steps and guidelines, you can ensure that your LLC meets the tax obligations and operates in compliance with the IRS regulations. Consulting with a tax professional can also provide valuable guidance in navigating the complexities of tax filing for your LLC. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.